Hi there. John here from Romania. Today you are going to see another site where you can work very easy and make money so you can start your own business. So stay tuned to learn more. Welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel I am going to teach you how to make money online, active and passive. Trust me, passive money are the best. If you want to learn everyday way to make money, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget about the notification bell. This way I will notify you every day when I am posting new video just like this one. If you like this video, feel free to hit that like button and comment down below. Up in the right corner, other ways to make money that you can learn and make a lot of money. Please pay close attention at what am I saying here, because it is very important for you to understand these methods. I am going to leave the link of all site that I am using today, because we are going to combine 3 sites in order to make a lot of money. Let me show you the first site and the most important one. Here up in the right corner you choose the English language to understand the site. You create a simple account, it is very easy, and you come here at ebooks. Here it is the perfect place for you to sell ebooks. I know, maybe you will tell me, hey John, it is too hard for us to create an ebook. And here it is the answer. You do not need to create anything. Up in the right corner, other ways to make money that you can learn and make a lot of money. Pay attention, because after you register here they will send you via postal code that you put in registration, one code that you need to confirm here. It is very easy. I am still wait for it, and we go here where it says click here to activate your account, and if we click here, it is going to tell us to enter here the PIN we sent you via post. You see how simple it is. So again we go to ebooks, click on publisher and create a new publish. Now I am going to show you where you can find this free ebooks copyright free and sell them here. Because not everyone know about this 2 site that I am about to show you. Up in the right corner, other ways to make money that you can learn and make a lot of money. You need to click the second link in my description and go in this site. You have here a lot of categories of ebooks that you can sell. Bestseller are from business, affiliate marketing, and so on. Make sure that you go here where it says select category and choose free PLR ebooks. And here you have a lot of great ebooks that are absolutely free and without copyright. Up in the right corner, other ways to make money that you can learn and make a lot of money. What are you waiting for? I am going to show you now another site where you can take ebooks for free, and here it is. Click the third link in the description. Here you need to create a very simple account and log in. Go to free product and surprise. Here you have ebook, videos, software, audio and so on. So you can think to sell some other product too from this site and make more money. Click on free ebook first and type in the search bar the niche that you wanted. You have a lot of ebook that you can sell. You can read some of them because for sure they have great value. Now you are going to ask me maybe, but John, we have made everything but the traffic. How can I get the traffic in order to make sale? Here it is the beauty. On the first site where you upload your ebooks you do not need traffic. They have millions of people around the world coming to the site and buying ebooks and other materials. Everybody want to learn something. You are here to learn. I am here to learn every single day. So they are searching for ebook to learn a specific topic. Maybe do not like video or YouTube. So this once it is done and you upload let's say at least 30 ebooks, you can relax and check your PayPal account. Money will show. This is passive income. You work once and after that you have money all the time. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like my videos consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell, hit the like button, comment down below. Follow me on Instagram work_smart not hard, and you will find me on Facebook too under the same brand name. John was here for you.